Hi po, pa-order po.
Hi po! Welcome sa Jollibee Drive-Thru. Ano pong order natin today?
Gusto ko po ng chicken and spaghetti.
Sige po, meron po tayong combo na Chicken Joy at Jolly Spaghetti for 199 pesos. Ilang piraso po ng Chicken Joy gusto nyo? One piece o two piece? Also, original o spicy po yung chicken?
Sige, two-piece chicken, isang original, saka isang spicy.
Got it po! So, one original at one spicy Chicken Joy with Jolly Spaghetti combo. Gusto niyo po ba i-upsize yung drink to large for 30 pesos?
Sige, palagyan ako ng ice mocha large.
Sure po. Palitan natin yung drink to iced mocha large. Anything else po? Baka gusto niyo pong dagdagan ng peach mango pie for dessert? 48 lang po.
Gusto ko ng fries, jumbo fries.
Noted po. Dagdag tayo ng jumbo fries. So right now po, meron tayong two-piece chicken joy with jolly spaghetti, large iced mocha, at isang jumbo fries. Tama po ba?
Yes, gusto ko din pala ng burger. Meron bang aloha?
Yes po. Meron tayong Aloha Champ Burger for 246 pesos. May grilled pineapple at bacon po yan. Okay ba sa inyo yon? Or gusto niyo po yung mas maniit na version, yung Amazing Aloha Champ Junior for 125 pesos?
Gusto ko yung bigger one.
Sige po, Aloha Champ Burger it is. So recap ko lang po, two-piece chicken joy with jolly spaghetti combo, large iced mocha, jumbo fries at Aloha Champ Burger. Tama po ba lahat ng order natin?
Yes, correct. How much pala lahat?
So yung total po natin is Chicken Joy with Spaghetti Combo, 199 pesos. Large iced mocha, upsize po, 30 pesos. Jumbo fries, 162.